Kajabi app. The pros, the cons. Kajabi is often called the all-in-one platform for digital entrepreneurs. But is it truly the best solution for creators, or just another expensive subscription? Let's explore the pros and cons of Kajabi. The biggest pro of Kajabi is its complete ecosystem. You can host online courses, build landing pages, manage your email marketing, and even process payments all from one dashboard. That means no juggling multiple logins or worrying about third-party integrations. Another huge plus is the user experience. Kajabi's interface is polished and intuitive. Course creation feels effortless with its drag-and-drop builder, and the design templates look professional right out of the box. It's perfect for coaches, educators, and creators who want to focus on content, not tech. Kajabi also includes automation tools. You can create marketing pipeline that nurture leads automatically, like sending a free email course, then promoting your paid program at the perfect time. It's built for conversion. Now, the cons. Kajabi's biggest drawback is price. Plans start around per month, which can be a lot for beginners. It's ideal for established creators, but overkill if you're just starting out. Also, while it's an all-in-one platform, some tools like its email analytics or community features aren't as advanced as dedicated apps. Another con is limited design flexibility. You can customize themes, but deep design control often requires coding knowledge. So, is Kajabi worth it? If you want one platform that does it all: courses, marketing, and payments, Kajabi delivers a seamless experience that can scale with you. But if budget is tight or you prefer specialized tools, you might be better off mixing cheaper alternatives. Most people get this wrong. Kajabi isn't just a course builder. It's a business engine for digital entrepreneurs who want simplicity, automation, and growth in one place.